Not to worry, Loco. Nine and I will get this under control, and we both too. Yeah, you can say that again. Well, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna escape out of here. Come on, Loco. Get us out. No, I'm really trapped. We're really trapped. Well, would you come up with an entrance with a Loco snack? Um, if that helps me, then okay, I'll do it. Alright, here you go. Huh? Oh no! What's wrong, Loco? The Loco snacks, it's empty! What? What on earth? That's impossible! I gave you some earlier that day! Oh, brother! Alright, Loco. Can you do it without them? Well, please, Loco, it's your only chance. Do this for me and Nine, and the others. Well, alright. I'll do it without the Loco snacks. Goodbye! Later, after Programmer Dude, Loco, and Nine got away from those green ghosts. I am so sorry, Loco. I didn't know there was no Loco snacks. I'm sorry, dude. That's okay, Pro. At least you tried your best. That's alright. I mean, it's alright. Isn't it? I mean, we can go to the store and buy some more. We could? Yeah. I mean, all we have to do is go to the store and buy some more. They always got Local snacks around here. I mean, come on. Let's go to the store and go. Alright. After they got to the store. What? No Loco snacks? What? The whole thing is empty. Not even some Loco snacks. Oh. I'm sorry, Loco. Can you please forgive me? I do forgive you. It's not that. Now, it's alright. I'm sure they'll make more. I don't know, bro. I felt like... You felt like what? I felt like the Loco snacks are gone. Don't say that, Loco. I mean, look on the bright side. At least you got me and Nine. Well, it is a good reason, after all. I'm sorry we didn't get those Loco snacks. I mean, I tried my best to get all the Loco snacks in stores. I don't know what happened to all of them. Well, if you're, looking for Loco snacks, I'm thinking you can make them in a factory. The factory? Well, yeah. I just heard these factories are really cool. And they can make your Loco snacks. They call it the Loco Snack Factory. The Loco Snack Factory? Well, yeah. But, one question. What happened to all the Loco snacks? Huh. I don't know. Well, this sounds like a mystery. A real live mystery. Yeah, even a mystery for that. And also, those Loco snacks could be anywhere. Yeah, I'm sure for that. Don't worry, Loco. I'm sure you'll get those Loco snacks very soon. Thanks, 9.